Kusasangpo and hello to all my friends. Friends, today I am here to share with you how I make this delicious gooseberry, achar or pickle. So with that said friends, let me show you the process. So this is what it looks after being in the sun. So the next I'm going to show you is how to pickle this up. So let me show you the process, friends. So I will share you the ingredients or the spices that I will be using to make this into a pickle or achar. So I'm going to take 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds here. So 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. I'm going to roast it actually in the pan. So as I go, I'm going to show you the process. And this is fenugreek seed. Fenugreek seed. And in the meantime, the other ingredients that I will be using are whole cumin seed. Then I have crushed red chili pepper. And I have another one, crushed red chili pepper. If I want it to be I want it to be spicy, so I'm going to use this also. And of course, I have turmeric and salt. So this is lightly roasted. I'll just let it sit for 1 or 2 minutes. I'll let this cool down and put it in the grinder and grind this one to a fine powder. So I am going to add like 1 cup of oil. This is like 1 cup of oil, and I will let this heat up. So next ingredient I'll be using is the whole cumin seeds. I'm going to do a small test. Okay, the oil is ready, and I'm going to reduce the heat. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Okay. I'm going to let the cumin seed brown for like a minute or so. I don't want it, to be burnt, otherwise it will taste bitter. So this is almost done, and the next I'm going to add is the star gooseberry to this one. Okay, this is ready. So the next ingredient, like I said, friends, always anything that you cook with oil, just make sure you add your ingredients away from you, like how I did it. Okay, and I'm going to slow cook this until the gooseberry is soft. Not fully cooked, like 90% of it, so it has to be soft. And in the meantime, I'm not going to add salt here right now, friends, because I had already marinated this salt and turmeric like yesterday, and then I dried out in the sun. So I'm not going to add extra salt right now. I will taste it later and see if it needs more salt. I'm going to cover this, and in the meantime I'm going to make the fenugreek and the mustard seed into powder. See, I am going to lower my heat. You see how it got a little bit on the brown side? It's okay, it's not burnt. I can still use this. So I'm going to check if it's cooked. This is perfect. And also in the meantime, I'll be tasting salt. Delicious. So it's time to add the spices or the masala to it. The next ingredient I'm going to add is, I'm going to add the freshly grounded fenugreek and mustard seed. And I'm going to add turmeric, and this is like coarsely ground chili pepper. I'm going to use 2 kinds of chili pepper because I want this to be spicy. I want it to be salty, spicy, and sour, like so. And also I will be adding this is Kashmiri chili powder. I'm going to add this much and see if I need to add more, how spicy I want. Let me all give a nice stir. I'm going to cook this for another few more minutes because I want all the masalas to get incorporated to the gooseberry. And then after that, I'm going to let it cool down. I think I need salt. I'm going to add this much salt right now because like you've seen it, I've already marinated this in salt and turmeric before. And friends, we all know that after you make your pickle, generally it tastes better after third day, fourth day, or once you take it out in the sun. But this pickle, it's like instant pickle that you can eat it right away. So you don't have to wait just to be ready. And you saw all the simple ingredients, what I actually used to make this. Star gooseberry or Amla Achar. I did not use a lot of spices. And all these spices, ingredients that I used are all like freshly made. It's not the packaged ones. So you can try this also at home, friends. And I am positive that you will love this and your family will enjoy this achar. So friends, achar is ready. So I just have to let it cool down and then I'm going to store it in a glass jar. So I will see you, friends,